Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, in this day, beautiful day, I want to give you tutorial again for the access this video. I give you tutorial that is the method is static net. So in this day, I give to you accesses. Okay. So before go to the lab or configuration, I want a little bit introduction for the access list. Yeah, access list is a way to filter packet that will pass through the router. Now, we can change or the packet are allowed to pass and which are not allowed to pass and to get to destination. That must not pass. That must get the destination. That accesses have Intel 2 that is standard and extended. So in this lab, we will practice the standard accesses on a Cisco router. Cisco router which in the simple accesses standard ACL or accesses only, filtering based on the search IP address to block all destination accesses. Now, that's all for the introduction access list. So let's go to the configuration. The first uh, the first step is to open Cisco Pocket Tracer and add one server. Add one server based in device. The server there is two, but usually I using first it's one put in anywhere. Don't forget add the router. Usually the 10 at 11 using this usually. What in behind after that at the switch the try to put in here and then don't forget at the client. I for client with under switch you can using private use or laptop, but I now I using PC. Yeah, okay. PC put in here for client or for PC. Yes, like this. Okay, don't forget tidy. Nah, after that, step two is you add the cable and then connection laptop photo switch. That interface one. After that, PC two go to switch again. Interface two, and then again PC three or client three go to switch. And then client last client go to switch again. That's it. Then don't forget again go switch go to router. Usually using cable automatically, but you can copper strike you can using but using automatically. Then if ready, you move to router go to server. That so this topology so simple, but yeah, you must follow my tutorial. Wait, check. Okay, ready? Nah, the first time is you go to the router. This router, you click the button, the router to check AI, and then this usually, of course, now enable configuration terminal, entry, enter interface, either 0/1. That way, go to the server. Don't forget no shutdown, and then add the IP address. IP address, the example, IP address go to the server is 21.21.21.1 because that gateway. Then don't forget the subnet max is 255.255.255.0. It's ready, so let's move to the interface 0/0. That way, with to switch and the client. So write the interface or ENCFR 0/0. No shutdown. Don't forget at IP address. The example 192.168.20.1 because that gateway. Okay, it's ready. Don't forget the subnet box is 255.255.255.0. It's already that's for me, yeah. That's for me. But if you want follow, just follow. I first configuration is I add the IP first, and then later the other step. They've already add the IP for each the interface. So let's go to the PC or client for add the IP address. You click the PC2 and then go to the desktop. Then IP configuration static is IP 192.168.20.2. Then the subnet mask is 155.255.0. And then the default gateway is the default gateway IP in the router. That's 192.168.20.1. The NS if you want using, but I not using. Then continue to the PC3, that's same, but just little bit different. Plus that is 192.168.20.3 because the two already using for the PC2 already used, and then tab this still same. Then the default gateway same 192.168.20.1. Then S not using. Go to PC4 desktop IP configuration. That's same but different the last. AS and then for 92.68.21. Then go to the PC or last client desktop IP configuration static is 192.168.20.5. That last client or last PC, that's the same 20.1. Now if already you can checking in like this. You stay in client first. After that, yes, you wait. You checking first. Check in for the client 2 until client 5 or PC 5. And then after that, if ready, uh, at the IP address, so you move or you yes move to the step yes step two. You at the IP access list yes access list 1 day 9. That is what is that common access list 1 day 9 host 192.168.20.2, that is the what refuse or reject refuse single host if having IP 192.168.20.2, that the function is accesses one from any, that is you allow the other host for way because for default if you add the deny, so the other can access, and then for other hosts that reject. Now then if ready at the for the other IP address, you go to the router again, and then let access first. You let access list 1 day 9 1 day 9 host. The example we want go to reject is IP 192.168.20.2. That is PC2. Go to PC2. Enter, and don't forget get ready. Don't forget at the access list one permit any. Okay. For low the other house for the way that way, because the default if you deny, so you can access the other house, and then you you reject. Okay. Then after that, if already add the IP access list from deny host and the IP address, and then permit any, you go to interface fa 0/1, go to the service that is IP access list access group yes access group one out, and then that out because that go to server, then you move go to interface F1 0/1 IP access group one in, that in go to the client. So if ready, why we add the IP access group, because IP access group out for the active filter for access is one. If there is packet for go out from interface that, then for IP access group one access one in, this is for active filtering from access is one. If there is packet, or we can enter the interface this. If ready, you can show the access list. Show access. Yes. Nah, yes, like yes, accesses can this question for the numbers, number under number until up number, and translate is mengeksekusi the deny, but before that the number that is 10 for the small number until big number. Then that already. Nah, after that you ping from PC to Bluetooth server. Okay, right? You can do this. Yes. Why cannot? Because yeah, I forgot. Add the IP server. Okay, don't forget add the IP server. As this IP server that maybe 21. Yes, 21.21.21.2. The subnet max 255, 255, 255, and 0, and 21.21.21.1. Nah, it's already add the IP, so you can try. Ping. Get failed, okay, PC2 failed ya. Then go to PC3. In progress, failed, you can try again, that's successful. Then go to PC4, go to server can, successful. Last PC, go to server that successful. So, why PC1, PC2 cannot ping to the server? Because that laptop one, what to say gagal bro. Violet, yes, sorry guys, I forgot. The laptop one violet because the IP laptop one already blocked here, blocked for the access from standard accesses. So the ping from the other PC that can and this can because the PC2 block here or blocking the IP-nya. But you can block the PC3 can like this. You use uh, you if you unblock here the IP address 192.168.20.3 access one deny host 192.168.20.3. Yeah. Okay, this is enter. You setting PC3 go to server. One remove any. Nah, so you can setting first. This you cannot select C3 FS4. So yeah, the main point is like that. The way block here from router using access is one deny host you the example IP address 192.168.20.2 just like that. That's so easy and so simple. Okay, so maybe that's all for me for the tutorial standard ACL or SSH. Maybe next day or next time I make again. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.